If we're talking continuous processing, then everything is in one room. The steps from dispensing to the final coated tablet.
So what would be the technical differences between batch processing and continuous manufacturing?
Yes. If you look at the traditional batch processing, you start with dispensing, then you have the granulation, then you have the drying, then you have the blending, then you have the compression, and at the end, the coating. Each of the steps are quality checked. You have an operator for each of the steps, and you have control systems for each of these process steps. And once it is finalized, there's a final quality check, and then finally it's then released. But that time between quality check and release can be 1 week, 2 weeks, or even longer sometimes. If we're talking continuous processing, then everything is in one room. The steps from dispensing to the final coated tablet is in one processor. It's continuously running. It's running 24 hours, 7 days a week, and it's all in one room and monitored by one team. The team needs to be qualified to operating such a plant, but we have one control system monitoring everything. And in the end of the day, you have the possibility of real-time release. That means that since you do the quality checks with, for instance, PIT, process analytical technology, you can in real-time release the product out of the system immediately and give it free to the market. There is no final quality check. Some customers are doing that today already based on the data they are collecting out of the system. So that is the distinct difference between batch and continuous, and that is also why continuous is popular for once for the quality of the system, but also for efficiency.